getting more knowledge on how to repair their personal computer, or if you are into a business also, this channel is dedicated for you, because we are going to be providing you with a daily update of repair video. So take your time, subscribe and click the notification bell, so that whenever we upload a video, you will be first to be notified that a video has been uploaded. And take your time to go into the comment section and drop a comment on the kind of video you want us to provide. Thank you.